Hey, welcome to Finca Los Tamarindos. Well, this is one of Cabo's top farm-to-table restaurants. Here, you can harvest your own food and cook it over there. You have some amazing new bungalows. There's a nice vibe to this place. It's in the middle of a valley, as you can see, and you have everything here. Well, Ubaldo, tell me here about Los Tamarindos.
Well, the concept of Tamarindos, it's pretty basic. It's a true farm-to-table experience. So the idea for us is to be creative with what we have around. We harvest pretty much any vegetable you can think about, and the chef is always very creative about his creations on the kitchen. So it's basically that.
What is the chefs? What is your recommendation? Here you come to Tamarindos, what is definitely this you must have?
If it would be my choice, I would go for the chicken. We raise our own chickens here and they're pretty amazing. And I will also highly recommend the pork shank cooked in green mole.
Oh.
It's a slowly cooked pork shank that we braise it for 5 hours in mole. So it's amazing. It just falls apart. It's great.
Perfect. Do you have your own mezcal brand, right?
Yes, we have our own mezcal brand. It's called La Venia. It's an artisanal mezcal that we craft in Santiago, Matatlan, Oaxaca, which is the world capital of mezcal. And so far we have 4 different labels. We have Espadín, Tepextate, Cuish, and Tobalá.
Okay.
They're all amazing.
Well, which one of those is añejo?
None of them. All of them. None of them. All of them are young, joven.
Okay. Well, that's good to know. Well, they also have some rooms here. We'll show you later on in this video. They have some new brand rooms, bungalows, that you can actually stay here, and it's pretty nice. Tell us a little bit more about the history of this place.
Well, the whole farm by itself dates from the 1800s. It used to be a sugarcane plantation back then. It used to belong to the Castro family, one of the first founding families that got here to Los Cabos area. And it used to be a sugarcane plantation back then. They used to make piloncillo here, you know, the brown sugar molasses.
Okay.
It's very popular in our Mexican cuisine. And after that, a couple of years ago, we're talking about 2002, Chef Enrique Silva, he's the owner and executive chef of this place. He decided to run this project first with the idea of, he's a chef, but he's also an engineer in agriculture. So it was a perfect match for him. Before all this farm-to-table trend became popular, Chef Silva started doing this 20 years ago. So for him, it came very natural to harvest his own produce and put it into a table.
Okay, you could say he was like one of the pioneers here in Baja.
I will say that he's a pioneer of the farm-to-table movement here in Baja and Mexico by itself. Yes.
Oh, great. So, well, guys, you should definitely check out Los Tamarindos. Thank you.